Hello students, in this video I will be solving the DSE 2021 paper, question number 2, and in this question we have they have given a real valued function which is a continuous function and defined on the set of all real numbers satisfying f of fx equal to x. Okay, so f function of x equal to x, and for x, for all say real numbers, if not the identity function, then which of the following is true? Okay, that's officially published answer key to this there, but they didn't publish, unfortunately, the entire solution. So don't worry, I'll be working with here. So here, if this thing is there, so fx not equal to x. So either fx is greater than x or fx is less than x. If this part is true, that is fx greater than x, so f dash x is greater than 1, and f of fx is f of greater than x, something greater than x, that is this whole thing is greater than x. So f of f dash x is greater than 1. Clear? Now f of x equal to x, if we take, so let's go for the first order derivative of fx and f dash x equal to 1. So if fx greater than x, then f dash f of x is also greater than 1. So fx is actually not greater than 1. So fx is not greater than x. This is only possible if it is less than this. Okay, so fx less than x, so it is a strictly decreasing function. So this is the correct answer. And if you want to check it with respect to the other part, that fx less than x part, that also you can check if fx less than x. So f dash x is less than 1. F of x, so f dash of fx very similarly will be less than 1. So f dash of f of x dash x is equal to 1, which is only feasible. So when f dash x is less than 0, so the whole part is 0. So hence ultimately this is a decreasing function. So also by this way we can come down to this answer. Okay, in the next question we will be solving question number 3. Thank you.